Welcome back. We have seen how to implement this chat GPT for the DAX function for data modeling. And it can be vast and wider and unlimited, exhaustive. Now, how do I use this chat GPT for data visualization? When I come to data visualization, I'm more specifically concerned about the formatting of the visuals. So I'm talking about the themes. How to create a theme with the help of chat GPT for Power BI and that theme which we actually desire for. You might have seen people who keep on posting on LinkedIn. They are the aspiring data analyst who have learned a dashboard. They have known the colors. They have seen very beautiful colors like say neon colors and they post on LinkedIn. Actually, they are very good. Sometimes you see very good dashboard they prepare and some people just randomly prepare it. How to pick up the best one and how they have done it, right? How do I put the themes for them? Let's try to understand. So first thing everyone, this is my Power BI. I've just randomly created the charts and visual. The theme I've kept for Coca-Cola company. Here I can go to view tab, click on this drop down. Here in the customize current theme. Now this is something which a person working on Power BI already knows. Here I'm just changing the color. Let's say this is something black color. This is some other color. I can choose the color from here. And the third color I can pick up, let's say blue one, I can choose from here. Like this, I can select some more colors and I can click on apply. I can also change the text size to 13, title size to let's say 12, cards and KPIs to 40, tab headers let's say as 14 and so on. See, whatever I'm changing right now, this will be reflected in the JSON code. Please understand what I'm doing right now. This is going to be reflected over there and I can click on apply. So whatever changes I've done, it has got applied on the visual. Now what I can do is I can pick up from here. I can save this current theme. Okay, save the theme which I've created right now and I'll go into some folder and I will paste the theme over here, exported theme. Okay, exported theme, and I can just click on save. Now what is that theme? Let me open the file. This exported theme, let me just open the window here, and if I just select this one, exported theme, double click and open. Now what is this whole code? It's a JSON code. I do not understand this code, which is absolutely fine. Even if you do not understand, which is fine. We are non-coding person, which I pick up. Now in this exported theme, please observe there are a lot of things which are added. So there's a background color, there's a font color, there's a font face, font size and so on. I do not understand everything. I can control A, control C. I copied the code and I went to chat GPT. Okay. Here in this chat GPT, I will create a new chat and I pasted the code. In this place, I will add here some lines here. Modify this JSON theme so that I can pick up, okay, modify the JSON theme so I can pick up the colors from Amazon Prime, okay, from Amazon Prime. So people who do not know, Amazon Prime is a platform where people watch videos, movies and series and so on. So I want this to be modified for that particular area. So I can just click on send button here. Now what will happen is it understands the Amazon Prime place. Okay, it understands the blue and very good colors. So here it has created a code. I do not understand that JSON code. I'm not expert into that, but however, let's try to make our hands dirty. If it fails, it's okay. If it is works, that means we have tried something, right? So I can just copy the code right now. This is the JSON code. I can copy the code. Went to Notepad, Control A, Control V. So I pasted the code and I will just save the file. Okay. Now this is the code I pasted here. If it works, it's fine, very good. Otherwise, we have learned something, right? We have tried at least. I will go to this Power BI, click on this option. I can browse for themes. The same theme which is exported theme, click on OK, and it did not change. So I can just click on browse for themes, exported theme. So it says there was a problem, invalid colors and invalid level properties, which is fine. However, what you can do is I can go back to this place. Chat GPT did not work, which is okay. So here I can tell them that you need to add basic different colors here, right? It did not work. So it did not work. Kindly create just 5 lines of code in JSON. So it did not work. Kindly create 5 lines of code in JSON with red color as color on charts and visuals. That's it. So I just forwarded this thing. Let's see if it creates. I can copy the code and I will go back to this place, exported theme, Control A, Control V, save this file. Let's go to Power BI and I can click on browse for themes, click on this option, and still it did not work. No problem. This was error which I expected, which is fine. So now what is the option B? The option B is we already have a website. Let me open the website for you. The website is given over here, which is bibb.pro. Okay, this is the website where I can go. And on this website, this is specially for theme generator. Okay, for all the Power BI users, I can click on theme generator, and here I can choose the colors. So if you see, this is the dashboard. Now it is not a dashboard, it is a report. People who are experienced will understand. So this is a report, and now I can pick up the trending. These are the trending colors. I can click on apply. So this will change the options over here. If I click on trending, if I choose the color, apply, this is changing the colors. If you see, now I can just create this JSON theme. Please see, that's a create a JSON theme, and I can put my email address, and I can click on create Power BI JSON theme. This will create, and now it is downloaded. So please see, if I open the folder, that's a Power BI theme by BIBRBB. Okay, BIBB option. Now what I can do is I'll open this, Control A, Control C. Let's try this one. If I go back here and if I paste the code, so now what should I tell them? So I've written as change the theme for Coca-Cola brand, and I can just click on next. So Coca-Cola brand is something which is very interesting, the colors and size and everything. So I've told them to create something for them, and it has written a lengthy code. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, again, I'll try an error. Okay, it's okay always to try an error. It's okay if you fail, not a problem. This way you can motivate yourself for the next video always. So moving on. So now it has stopped. You see, continue generating. So I can click on continue generating. So if the number of tokens exhausted, then it will stop. You need to push them again to create one more time. So here I can just copy the code. Let's copy the code. Notepad, Control A, Control V, save the file. In Power BI, I will just click on browse for themes, and I can just pick up from downloads this one, and now it should work. Perfect. Finally it worked. I'm happy. I thought I have to leave the profession, but it worked properly. And now if you see, the colors are red and all. If I could have spent more time explaining them that red, black and blue, these are the colors which should be picked up, then it would have given me. Perfect, everyone. Even if you are not knowledgeable in JSON, you can still take the power of ChatGPT with Power BI, modify all the directions and dimensions. If you're a teacher, I would suggest you to go through this topic. If you're a person who's struggling, sitting alone in the company, do not know who is helping you out or who is not helping you out, use ChatGPT to get you the answers. So the website name is bibb.pro. That's one kind of website. There might be thousands of websites like this. So I found this one as useful, and you can create something for that as well. I've used for Coca-Cola, you use for LinkedIn, Facebook, Insta, any other website, pick up a logo of that and it will match all the theme. And then you can write on LinkedIn, I have successfully created dashboard using a beautiful theme, and I'm an aspiring data analyst. Perfect. That's it, everyone. I hope you have understood how to create a theme for Power BI report using ChatGPT. That's all for this video.